Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to drive through the Keys, as I said to you about the drive yesterday. So yesterday night we had a dinner and had a beautiful conversation. That's it, we did not explore much. But as of now, according to my observation, I can say you something. So this feels like an organized Goa. So overall my impression is very good, and I'm really loving the climate here. It feels so warm and I feel like I'm back in India. So that's it guys, as of now. I'll update you about the journey later. So catch you on the other side. So guys, we have finally reached our destination. So we are in Key West now. So this is the southern end of the America. So the plan is now we are going for water sports. Now I will shift my camera to GoPro. So that's it guys, it's a productive day and I'm very happy. So now we are having a dinner and I think this is for the day. So take care, bye bye, keep moving.